Hello guys, this is the Randomness 332. Today I'm here to teach you how to trick your friends and family. Changing the Google theme page, the word Google. You can change it to whatever you want with this amazing website. If you didn't already know this website, this is why I'm providing this video. It's called GogLogo. GogLogo.com. Okay. It's not the actual Google website. It is called GogLogo. But what you can do is create your own Google-style logo and search page. So what you would do, you could enter it as whatever you wanted. So, say you put hi. It would change it to hi. Then what you can do is you can make this website GogLogo. You can make it your home page. So whenever they go to log on or go onto the internet, it'll go straight to this and it'll say whatever message you want to write. And then you can create your own page and do things like that. It's pretty cool. Once again, it is GogLogo.com and it should look something like this when you log on. Well, thanks for watching and see you guys later.